Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a clock out of wood. First, gather your essential tools like a jigsaw, drill, and sandpaper. Next, select a beautiful wood type such as oak or maple and acquire a clock mechanism kit, complete with hands and a battery-operated movement. Don't forget your safety gear, including eye protection and gloves, to ensure a safe and enjoyable crafting experience. Let's get started. Now, let's shape our clock face. Begin by drawing a perfect circle, perhaps 10 to 12 inches in diameter, onto your chosen wood. Carefully cut out this circular shape using your jigsaw, following the line precisely. Once cut, smooth all the edges with progressively finer grit sandpaper, starting with 120 grit for a flawless finish. Finally, drill a central hole for the clock mechanism's shaft, ensuring a snug fit. With your clock face shaped, it's time for details and finishing. Mark the 12-hour positions evenly around the face, using a protractor for accuracy. You can add numbers or decorative elements with wood burning or paint. Next, apply a protective finish like wood stain or varnish to enhance the wood's natural beauty and durability. Allow ample drying time, typically 24 hours, between coats for a smooth, lasting result. Finally, let's assemble your beautiful wooden clock. Insert the clock mechanism through the central hole from the back of the wooden face. Secure it firmly with the provided washer and nut, being careful not to over-tighten. Now, attach the hour, minute, and second hands in the correct order, pressing them gently onto the mechanism's shafts. Insert a fresh AA battery, set the time, and admire your handcrafted, timeless piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.